ईडा च पिंगला चैव सुषुम्ना च तृतीयका योगिनां कार्य सिद्ध्यर्थे नाड़ीत्रयम prasasye. Three energy system. If your actions are connected to these three energy channels, it can be any actions. It can be physical action, it can be mental. Physical activity where you want to succeed, maybe you want to have a good body, maybe you want to have a good memory. Any action which you choose, if you connect these actions according to the energy which is flowing in your body, every actions becomes fruitful. Namaste to everyone. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant J Yoga. Today class, don't skip. Today video is very important because today video I am going to teach you and share with you pranic technique. I am going to share with you the three energy channels, how you can channelize your energy based on what actions you want. How you can create the right atmosphere for your actions to be fruitful. Which food you must take if you want to improve the sun energy within you, or want to take if you want to improve moon energy within you. If you want to improve the feminine energy, which gives you calming effect, which gives you more quiet mind, which gives you control over the senses, stable mind. If you want to have focused mind, which food you must eat. Let's begin the practice and understand this. Yogic techniques are very powerful. There are two energy systems in your body. One is sun energy, one is moon energy. In today's video, we will talk about moon energy and the action based on this energy. So today class, if you will watch completely, you will have clear understanding that what you need to do and which energy, how you can channelize the right energy flow to have a mastery over every actions that you do, to create good environment so that the actions will be fruitful. When we talk about sun and moon, the moon energy which displayed on your left nostril, the breath from the left nostril, there is a one nadi which is called Ida nadi. Right nostril, there is one nadi called Pingla nadi. In the center one is called Sushumna nadi. Left nostril is a place of moon energy which controls the right brain, this brain. Right nostril is a place for sun which controls the left brain. So left nostril, when it's active, parasympathetic nervous system is also more dominant. So at that time you become more conscious, you become more mentally stable. It means those actions where you need stability of mind, where you need focus more, where you need more conscious effort, at that time the left nostril should be dominant. It means the breath flow should be easily flowing from the left nostril. Did you know this? Or you are choosing all the actions based on your instinct? These days humans, they are doing all the actions because of instinct. If I feel hungry, I eat. If I feel to sleep, I sleep. If I have a schedule of doing any kind of job, I do. If I have a schedule to go to gym and do some physical exercise, we do. But do you know that it is not like that? It will not give you fruit just because you choose the actions randomly. No. Choose the actions according to the correct time, according to the correct energy flow. This video is very beneficial, so share to others and help them also to understand so they can live yogic life, conscious life, and their actions will be more fruitful so that they will not suffer. How much efforts they are doing, there's no result. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that you can get such kind of informative yogic videos, so you can apply these videos and the techniques to make your life better. So come back to topic. As I said, the left nostril, it means the moon energy in your body. Moon gives shitalta. Shitalta is a Sanskrit word which means cooling effect. And if the left nostril is weak in some of you, these people will not be stable much. So if you think they are not stable much, if you think you're not focused enough, if you think you don't have good memory, if you think you don't remember the things much, you check the left nostril during the day 24 hours. How much time the left is active, how much time right is active. You will notice that the left is very less active. I will be teaching you which food you should add now from today to strengthen your left nostril, to strengthen your moon. Sometimes moon is weak, you have less glow on your face. Your body nourishment becomes weak because moon is responsible for nourishment. Moon is responsible for growth. Moon is responsible for hormonal balance. So if the moon is not strong enough in you, it means all the imbalances started coming and body started becoming weaker and weaker. So in the gross level, physical level, you can check by checking the flow of the breathing from the left nostril. So left nostril, if you check by closing the right one, maybe because of camera you can see the reflection, maybe my right, it looks left to you, but just follow the words. You close the right nostril and breathe, and then close other nostril after some times, and then breathe from the other side. This is how you will check. You notice that which nostril is giving you clear breath, through which nostril the breath is very clean, very easily flowing in the body. If you notice most of the time, 24 hours, if you notice that your left is very weak, most of the time your right is working, it means moon is weak. You must try now what I am going to say you. Ida meru sthita nityam shitala chanda rupini ghritam prakashyata sasyad ghritam tasmancha sampivet. It means that shitala, moon energy creates shitalta, calmness to you. So if the emotions are fluctuating up and down a lot, it means you should activate your moon energy. Your left nostril should be powerful. Left nostril is responsible for having control over these senses, desires. Right nostril, if it is active, it means you have a desire, you are proceeding towards the goal. But left nostril control, that do not be overexcited. These two energies plays very important role in manifestation. One, sun is giving you path, helping you to push forward, but the moon controlling that. Be patient, control and watch, observe. So moon is very important to give you stability and all other benefits which I just mentioned about memory, about nourishment, all the emotional, hormonal balances, moon is responsible. There's a one text, Gauri Kanchalika Tantram, is saying about if someone having low moon energy is very weak, first of all you start with Chandra Bhedi Pranayama. You start every day 10 Kumbhaka with Chandra Bhedi Pranayama. So you close the right nostril simply and start left nostril breathing deeper, and exhalation will be right nostril. Just understand here, close the right nostril by thumb, right hand you will use. Maybe again I am telling you, it can show you for the left hand, but it's the right hand. You close the right nostril with the right hand thumb, left is free, you breathe from the left in, and exhalation will be right. You keep breathing 10 Kumbhaka, means after inhaling you hold, press and hold, and exhaling will be right nostril. 10 holding. Hold as long as you can. Every day you practice this minimum 3 months, regular. If you want to strengthen and nourish your moon and improve your moon quality, if the moon is improved, you will have more calmness, more control over the senses, more observation power, more drishta power. This is first practice. Now the food. Ghritam prakashyata sasyat ghritam. Ghritam is a Sanskrit word of ghee, purified butter. Ghee is a product which is made by milk, purified butter. This ghee is very important to nourish moon energy. So if someone of you there notice that your moon is very weak, your left nostril is most of the time closed, it is not balanced, you are not stable mentally, you are not having enough control over the senses, you are easily flowing towards the desires, you cannot focus, you cannot meditate, you cannot do any kind of mental activity very effectively, you cannot remember, memory is very low, start adding ghee in your meal. Ghritam prakashyata moon, ghritam prakashyata chandram, means the ghee nourishes the moon. If you add ghee regular basis, you will see that after sometimes 2 to 3 months, your left nostril start working very nicely. Of course, there are many other techniques also to perform. The one technique I already told you. This one I am telling you for. There are many other techniques. In coming videos, I will explain you that how more techniques that you can add. But right now, there's two. First is doing technique, actions. Second is food, that what you should add. Now, many of you might have a question, how much to eat ghee? Understand now and follow the same amount that I will tell you now. First part of the day, during the breakfast, take 2 teaspoons ghee. Don't add in your meal, just simply swallow. Second part, lunchtime. Before lunch, take 1 spoon of ghee. Third, before sunset or during sunset, take half teaspoon of ghee. These 3 times, add this amount of ghee and practice this Chandrabhedi Pranayama, breathing, inhale left nostril, exhale right nostril. Practice 3 months. You will nourish and strengthen the left nostril. Once the left nostril is active, you will see how much you will manifest, how much you will be focused. Pranayama will improve, meditation will improve, mental strength will improve, you will be more focused. Today's video we will end here. I hope you understood. Share this video and help others. I will see you in next video. Namaste.